What arrived in the mail today was the Kava electric train set that we got on Target.com. We're going to put this thing together and show you some tips and tricks about this train set. Alright, before we get into building this train set, me and my boys, we want to give you a little bit of a heads up. So at the end of this video, we're going to have some tips and tricks that you're going to want to stay tuned for, because this train set actually works with another popular train set that's on the market today. So let's get to building. Okay, let's lay it down. Let's get the, let's pull the train cars out first. And then we'll put the batteries in.
Wait, can you flip this?
Yeah, that's why, yeah. We're gonna, well, we gotta put everything together first.
I know how to.
Ooh, actually, wait. Is it missing a piece? Huh? Oh, okay. It's not missing. I don't think it's missing. No. What the heck did they do? They put. Hold up here. Let me see it. This is not. Okay, look. They put They didn't put any hooks on this one, but they put 2 hooks on that one. Does that have 1 hook or 2 hooks? Okay. No, they didn't get broken. Well, this is easier to put together than your other train set. Okay, let's put batteries in it. Alright. Okay. Alright, I put 2 batteries in there. Flat side goes against the spring. I think I got it. Okay. That's different. So with the train set, it's got an on and off button on one side up near the front, and then it's got almost like this momentary button that intermittently runs the train, which is kind of interesting. That's different. But with this, there's no remote. It's on and off, and that's it. And there's one direction from the looks of it. So that's kind of a little bit of a bummer with this one. I got this set for $80. It's now actually on sale for $55. All right, let's set up the train tracks. Yeah. Okay. So these are the curved pieces. Straight pieces. And based on what this kit does, this train set does out of the box, it does like an oval or a circle, like most train sets you buy today. Let's start putting the track together.
I like that, kind of.
Okay. Let's start putting the track together. Well, we're gonna make a kind of like an oval. Okay, let me see here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Do you want to put the tracks together over there? No.
Dad, I know what to do now. What about we try this?
Okay, let's stop and put the rest of the cars on now. Mm-hmm. Here. No. These are definitely easier to clip.
I do.
All right, now that we got the train going, it actually went together pretty easily. We got it together in about 15 minutes. The locomotive is a little interesting. It's back heavy. It does run on 6 AA batteries, which is where it sits. Where the batteries sit is where it's kind of like back heavy. The cars actually clip together pretty easily. They have like a little like hinge clip that clips to the next car. It was a little strange when I pulled it out of the box. The clips kind of weren't uniform on where they were on the cars, so we kind of had to shuffle around where the clips were so that it made sense that one clips to another. And if the kids wanted to like rearrange the cars, they could a little easier with how the clips are arranged now. Now, this train set actually is the same hookup and scale as the Lionel Ready to Play train set, which is actually the train set that we had first before this, and actually the tracks will connect together. Earlier today when this actually came in the mail, I hooked the 2 train tracks together. They work perfectly. Actually, the turns and the straights are 1-to-1 equal. The turns, this set has a double turn to Lionel's single turn. So if you did want to get additional train track accessories for this train set, you could get some of the Lionel switch tracks, I think, and then the other straights and turns that ultimately would be compatible with this train set. This train set is a little expensive for how much I paid originally for it. The $54.99 is more appropriate for this train set because if you were paying $80 for this train set, I would highly recommend spending about another $20, $30 more and getting the Lionel train set. But for $55, you really can't beat this. The Lionel, the difference between the Lionel and this set is Lionel, you actually have a remote for your locomotive, so you want to go forward, you want to go backwards, the boys want to trigger the bells and the other sound effects that go along with this train set. That's where the Lionel really has a one-up on this train set. But if you want just a fun, whatever train set, you really don't care about brand and going forward is really all you care about, then this is the train set for you. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Check out some of the videos on the accessories that go to this train set and to the Lionel Ready to Play. I'm Malamaker, and happy making.